Yeah, buddy. Catch of the day. Freezing cold in here. AC works great. So a little bunk bed here, queen size bed, full toilet. This place is awesome, guys. Fridge and a microwave. American flag. Only one's got the American flag. Cool. The trail down right there. Get back. I told you that right here.
What is it?
So I gotta take the weight off. Give me the weight. He's right here. Okay, he's all yours. Oh, bro, it's a big old trout. A bass! It's a bass! Whoa. Another bass on the thing, bro! Whoa! Let's go! Right when you were gonna leave! Right when you were gonna leave! Bro, you hooked it right on the edge. Here, they get it.
Oh, he's a bass. Oh, they got one too. Look.
Let's go. They got a bass?
Yeah.
Dude, see, that's what's jumping right
Whoa, that's big.
here. Yeah, buddy. Here you go. Chunker. Smallie. Got him?
Yeah.
Hold him up. Here, let's do it this way. That was a nice little fight, eh?
Yeah.
Nice one. Good job, dude. Another one trolling for freaking trout and coke. Oh, it's over here. It's right here. Let me get the weight. It's over here. Nothing?
Maybe something small.
Keep going. I got it. Can you reel it? Oh, you're reeling. He's coming. There he is.
Oh.
Get him in. Get him in. Get him in.
It's a smallie.
Another one, bro. They're all in here.
Hold this.
Here, I got. Get him. Dude, back to back. You got him?
Yeah.
I got this. Just get the fish. I don't want to get hooked right now. Yeah, buddy. 2 in a row. Just keep your chips steady, yeah.
Bring this away. Oh, never not me. I don't think so.
No. No fish.
Dang it.
Alright.
He bit that.
He hit it, yeah. Get that weight. There's the flasher. Nope.
Nope.
That something hit it though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, actually, you know what? Okay.
Just leave it out.
Yeah, we're gonna drop it back down. You wanna do it?
Yeah, how do I?
So you just push this button and kind of hold the spool when you push this button down and let it drop. Easy. Hold it so it doesn't go smoothly. About 90.
90.
Go a little over 90. 93. Dang. That looks like a bunch of bait fish to me. Okay, is there fish on there?
Yeah.
Hey, this pass, every time we make this pass right here,
There's been a fish.
a fish, bro.
Here, get that weight.
Where is it?
Oh, he's not.
Oh, it just got off. It was a trout.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, dang it. Oh well.
Bro, what?
Yeah, it was a trout. Looked like. I dropped it right on top of him. Here, keep line on it. Here, let me get this. Keep reeling, bub. Keep reeling. Don't hold it up so high. You pull it down. Pull the tip down. Don't hold your tip so high. Get the Ranger's on the net. I'll just grab him. What is it? Keep reeling it, Weston. Normal. Keep your tip down. Keep your tip down. Okay, hold. Right there. Right there. Stop. Oh shit! Here, I'm shaking. Here, let me take a picture with you. Got some line out, bro. Oh, it's just the weight. Dang, he's feisty, dude. He's knocking on this thing. He's mad. Get this very well, dude. Oh, there it is. Was he in here that one? All right. This is almost the edible one.
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Alright guys, out here at the cabin, and they said all wood fires and charcoal is prohibited. Except for us. All natural, baby. Propane. Got our fire and our s'mores. And the twigs. He's doing a twigs. Let's see this. What is a twigs gonna do? It's probably just gonna melt right off.
Look at it. It's like
glimmering. It's melting already. I like it nice and slow cook.
I like my burnt.
You like yours nice and crispy. Oh my gosh, that thing is. Oh, this is the way to do a fire, guys, right here. No wood. Clean burning. Ranger. Oh, Ranger, here. It came like straight before when I was doing that. So cool. Totally friendly. All they're looking for is some food. Yes. Alright guys, here we're at night. Fishing on the lake. There's a bunch of wildlife out right now. It's hard to see, but there's eyes on the other side. Well, you can't see them right now. When you shine a light. You hear that?
There's something in it.
There's stuff everywhere out here. It's awesome. Ranger, nope. Leave it. Oh, it's okay. Hey, come here. No. Like towards us. Staring at you. That's it. Feels like anything? No. I think
feels like a waiting hook.
Just leave it for a minute. Get it kind of the line tight. And just hold it. See if you feel anything.
Ooh.
What in the world is jumping over there? Everywhere. But on our lines.
Yours got a bunch of slack too.
Did it? Alright, so last day out here camping at Berryessa, and I'm just trolling for some coke right now, or some salmon, or some trout, whatever wants to hit. But right here, guys, I want to show you, I'm trolling about at 100 right now, but I want to be at about 80. And the thing is, right here, these lines, you see these lines right here? That lines are showing you the bottom curve of the bottom of the lake. And if these lines are really close, that means it's really, really steep. See, I'm gonna follow this line right here, and I know I'm gonna be at right at about 90 to 100 feet. And these lines, once they start getting further apart like that, that means it's more flatter. It's not as steep. So when you go here near the edge, it's really steep. You have a lot of incline and a lot of water depth changes. Just like that. So I'm gonna go a little closer. I don't wanna be 100, I wanna be a little shallower than that. So I'm gonna get a little over this way. And I'm just gonna follow these lines right here, guys. And that's just gonna keep me right at the depth that I want. Might be bouncing on the bottom. And it's just gonna keep me right at the exact depth that I want to be at.